WJZ News, sponsored by Rice Law. Best advice? Call Rice.
And now, Advice with Rice.
Welcome back. Randolph Rice, managing partner at Rice Law, joins us this morning for our segment Advice with Rice.
And so we know many of you have questions and have maybe gotten into a car accident and wondered, what do I do now? And so we're going to ask you some of these questions. Hopefully we can get some advice for when and if this happens. Best to be prepared, right?
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't happen. You know, that's what we don't want people to do, is be careful when you're driving and try not to get into a car accident. But if you do get into one, you should certainly know what to do.
Yeah. So many of us have been in car accidents.
Yeah.
If you find yourself in this situation, what are some of the first things that you recommend we do?
So first one is don't leave the scene, and that's a big no-no. And the reason why is it actually can lead to criminal consequences. If you leave the scene of an accident, even of a minor little fender bender, and you take off and you don't give information to the other driver or to the police department, it could actually land you in jail. So that's step number one, or tip number one, is don't leave the scene of an accident. Make sure you exchange that information with the people at the scene.
And when it comes to that exchanging information, I know some of us who have been in that, we're kind of confused. What do you need from us? Do you need my license? Do you need the license? What is that, the legal things that someone should take?
That is a great question. First off, call the police. No matter what, just at least call 911. Make that documentation or that record that you were in an accident. Call them. Hopefully they'll send somebody out. Secondly, take that phone, use the camera option, and start taking pictures of everything. You want to get the other driver's license. You want to get their insurance card, the registration. Most importantly, also take pictures of the scene, because when you leave, everybody's going to say something different as to what happened. But if you've got the cars in the position of where the accident happened, that's very important to the whole case.
Yeah. We talked about what happens while you're there. What about the days after that accident?
Another great question. So the days after, you need to start monitoring your health, because if you start feeling just unnatural feelings, and your neck starts bothering you, your back starts bothering you, that's when you need to start going to the doctor or getting checked up, because a lot of people, they'll think, it's no big deal. 3, 6, 9 months down the road, they haven't taken care of their problems, and all of a sudden they've gotten bigger and worse. So seek medical treatment soon after if you start to just feel weird or different about, before the accident.
And then real quick, when does somebody reach out to someone like you for help?
Yeah.
This is a great question, because I was talking to one of our lawyers the other day. The sooner you do it, the better, because what happens is that you start making mistakes. You start saying things to other insurance companies. You may start posting things on social media which hurt your case. Believe it or not, insurance companies have teams of lawyers. They're already working on your case. They're actually looking at your Facebook page and your Instagram page, pulling things off of there to hurt your case against you. They have teams of people doing this. So be careful what you say. Call a lawyer first. Obviously, you can call us. We'll talk to you. We'll give you an honest answer about what to do. But talk to a pro first. Then start talking to the insurance companies, or let your lawyer talk to them, because that makes it so much easier.
Yeah, all good advice. We want to thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Guys.
Thank you, Randolph. All right, well, we do want to head to this next story. What are the health benefits of having professionals help you stretch?
Well, Marty's at Stretch